what do you do at Promo West? And
Kind of the elevator pitch from the get-go was college radio at Denison University. Kind of quickly became involved with music there and became station manager and started booking shows for the school. That landed me an internship out in LA with Glassnote Records, an independent label that's incredible. And that led me to Columbus, working with a film production company called Loose Films. Luckily was able to call up some contacts I had and became a tour manager and did that for about 4.5 years with the guys
oh
up
wow,
until COVID. That led itself into a position as a promoter rep at the A&R in the basement. So my current role, long story short, is I'm the general manager of the Newport Music Hall A&R in the basement.
wow.
Having that touring knowledge of what it's like to be a band out on the road really, I think, really helps me be a general manager and a promoter rep with the venues, knowing how to intake bands, knowing kind of what they're going through, having done it myself from the smallest of small clubs to arenas.